Okay, here's another quick little update. So I've been kind of working on how different users will be able to manage the card. Again, because it's such a wide range of uses here. It's going to be on, on PCs, on Windows CE devices, on Newton, on things I don't even know of. So I had that web interface for doing stuff, but I've now also finished the virtual modem. So I mean, you can use this for telnetting and connecting to things as well, but it's just an interface here that has different commands. You can see your what Wi-Fi you're connected to, and I just have some kind of commands in here for scanning Wi-Fi and connecting to it, and different stuff. So that's fine. So I will build different commands in here. So you can always come in with any terminal program and access this. I will then use this AT structure as my kind of uniform way to configure and control the card. So you can use it here in any terminal program, or the command line utility that I will finish will also use that in the background. So I don't have to re-implement that every time, but the that interface can use it. Now what I've added that's neat, but what's more interesting is, and sorry, this is going to be a pretty weak transition, where people, some users, they don't have a computer to do stuff on. So what I've done is, if you plug the card into USB to a computer while it's not in a computer, the card knows that it's being inserted not in a computer, and then what it does is it presents itself as a USB device. So so this is just for example, it's just the web serial, so you can connect and then it just checks the version. So this is kind of just the same thing. This is just a terminal window, just to show that that it works. But I would actually implement a little web interface here that would talk the AT commands, so that the user doesn't actually have to know the AT commands. And then what it can also do is, so if I go AT plus LS, I can see what files are on the SD card. I can either mount the SD card, or I can do like AT plus mount equals sram.image. And that will mount that image file, and then it will present it as a storage device. So do you want to fix it? No, it's fine. I probably just been dismounting it too much. But yeah, so it's now mounted that image here. This is just a 64 megabyte image that I had, and so I can actually mount the images and edit stuff inside the images, or I can also just do AT plus mount, and it'll just mount the entire SD card. Yeah, here, so this is just the entire SD card. So I have a couple of CD-ROM images, and then that was that SRAM file that I mounted. So yeah, that's the idea, is just to make this as easy as possible to manage and configure, in particular for people that don't have a whole bunch of retro computers. They maybe just have their one machine, that laptop or PDA or something. So yeah, so this is just the proof of concept that it can do it, and then I'll post some more updates on that later. That's it for now.